Hey, are you looking to renew your certificate of deposit or CD that's coming up? October is typically one of those months where CDs are coming up for renewal, and you're probably looking for a decent rate. And I have an alternative for you here today. This is called a multi-year guaranteed annuity, and what I'm going to show you are the most popular ones. I'm going to go through the rates and show you that you have an alternative to a bank CD. A MYGA, which is a multi-year guaranteed annuity, is an insurance product, and typically you get a better rate, and you also can extend the term out, especially now that the interest rates, it looks like the interest rates are going to start going a little bit lower for a while. So I'm going to show you here on my cursor. You can see here's a 2-year. Oh, by the way, most of these are going to be A-rated companies that I'm going to show you. I can't show you the names of the companies because the insurance companies won't allow me to do that, okay? So here are the rates. As you can see on the screen, this is a 2-year at a 5.25 with a 5.25 yield to surrender. One of the most popular ones, the 3, the 5, the 7-year, those are the ones that most people gravitate toward. As you can see right here, that rate is 5.5% for 3 years, and again at a guaranteed yield at surrender of 5.5%. And again, you can see some of the other rates here for some of the other companies. And what you see over here is some of the free withdrawal provisions on this line right here. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you real quickly a 4-year. That's at 4.95% with a yield of 4.95. When you're looking right here, and again, if my eyes are looking off, I'm looking up at the screen so that I can see what the numbers are. This one, again, one of the 5 years is one of the most popular. That's at 5.8%. That's one of the best rates right there. You can see some of the other rates at 5.55, 5.5, and so forth. I'm going to go to the next page. Finish up the 5s there. This is a 6-year rate here at 5.6%. And again, you see some of the free withdrawals. I will explain that if you want to know more. Here again is a 7-year. This one's paying out at 5.65%, one of the better ones. And again, this is an A-rated company. And you can see some of the other rates here, 5.6, 5.4. I'm going to move on to the 5.8. 5.8, 5.65 again on an 8-year. 5.35. Now I want you to take note on the 9 here. The 9 years, 5.35 on some of the best rates, right? But I also want you to see this one. See, this one says 6.2, but the yield is different. And the difference between these two and this one, well, let me get it there. These two are right here are compound interest. These two here are simple interest. In other words, you're going to get that each year, but it won't compound. You won't get paid interest on top of interest. So the reason I wanted to show you that one is because the actual 10-year one is paying out at 5.75, some of the best ones. And again, that one's a B++, but this one here is an A-rated company. All of these on down are all A-rated companies. So again, if you're looking to renew your CDs right now or coming up very shortly, if you want to know more about getting a better rate with a multi-year guaranteed annuity, you can say more in the comments, and I'll respond. We'll get together and we'll talk about it and see if this is something that you might want to do and see if it's a fit. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.